Not sure what this used to be. Maybe a house? Some kind of wall? Could be a house. I don't know if you'd want to trek up there every time though. I should have some signs saying what it was. I just came bombing up this way. So now I have a choice. Do I go up here? Or do I keep going? I'm really not in hiking shape like I used to be. Well, better hiking shape, I should say. I was never really in great shape, but I could get some hike on if I needed to, / wanted to. Now this way is flat, but it also could be misleading. I basically came up this last way because it looked flat, but then it turned into hill. Not that it's not a big deal. I mean, it's not like I have the weight to melt, to sweat off, but I had to stop for a water break here soon. One, to let some out, and two, to put some in. So I opted for the hard way. I don't know if the camera does it justice. I can barely see the view screen because I'm staring into the sun. I heard it's a nice view though, so I'll probably turn around and there's a glare. Hopefully that's not too bad. Here's what I'm looking at though. Looking out across the valley. So I'm not quite at the top yet, but that's my view of Mount Rainier. Every step I take, it just gets better and better. Not quite there yet, almost. Good one, bud. Hey, take it easy. Alright, I just switched to a lighter camera rig, so I'm going with the Olympus. Carrying that tripod was just, I mean, it's 6 pounds. I mean, what are you gonna do? I know what you're saying. 6 pounds, that's a ton of weight. Yeah, but it's also not breaking every 3 months, so. Hell yeah, that breeze feels amazing. I gotta get a shot of, where is it? Mount Rainier. Should be right there. Nice. Well, that's the parking lot where my truck is. And the whole valley. Pretty sweet. Alright, just making my way down. I will say too, invest in a good pair of boots, man. They are so worth it. I mean, I'm coming down, you know, this is just, it's rocky and it's steep. But my toes aren't getting crushed in the front of my boot because I have a nice roomy toe box. I mean, they're not even laced up super tight either. I mean, I just put them on normally. Because normally if you tighten your laces up towards the top, it keeps your foot from sliding down, but I'm not even feeling these rocks. My legs will later though, but my feet are in great shape. Because you need your feet, man. You gotta have feet to... You gotta keep your feet in good shape. Without your feet, I mean, you're kind of stuck. Plus, it just sucks having sore feet. So, even on a sunny day like this, I'm still wearing. I wear wool socks year round, so I don't take them off when it's, you know, summer. I don't care how hot it gets. I mean, it could be 100 degrees, and I'll still wear wool socks because they're just better for your feet, in my opinion. So, alrighty. So I didn't film this coming in because I was talking to a lady who was kind of giving me the rundown. But, you know, it's my first time here. Apparently there used to be a big wheel in the center of this. And what they would do, just over there used to be a mine. And they'd use the wheel, I think, to pull either carts or whatever out of the mine. That's what I'm told. There's shit for signage here. It's kind of a bummer. It'd be nice to know a little bit of the history. So I'm going to be doing some Googling when I get home. So, I mean, I literally just drove down the road and saw this on the side of the road and stopped. It's like, whoa, Franklin Ghost Town. So, those holes there must be where the wheel connected. Because there's some on each side. I actually really dig stuff like this. Something else I'd like to try to do a little bit more of this year is go out and check out cool stuff. I don't know how they cranked a wheel. That'd be really interesting to know how they did it. That's neat though. Of course we're going to go up and look at the mine entrance because apparently they blasted it with dynamite and filled it in. Jerks. Very cool. Okay, so I'm told somewhere here there used to be a mine, but it's been blasted over. Some big cable here in the ground. Not sure where the mine entrance was. I mean, it could have been right here, maybe. Or maybe this was the side. I guess they blasted it with dynamite, so like they couldn't leave a 5 or 10 feet for us to take pictures and us YouTubers. Rude! Yeah, so this might have been the entrance. Unless the rocks here were the side. I don't know. It'd be interesting if I can find some photos online and maybe cut them into the video. There are actually quite a few people here. It's kind of crazy. So, well, I can't say I blame them. It's a nice day, so I'm heading back to the truck. So when I come back, I'm going to do the cemetery. Don't need to kill myself in one trip. Plus I'm going to pack a lighter too. I've got some stuff. I was going to do other videos, but I don't know if I'll get to them now. Which I don't even need, which I'm carrying. Which is alright. It could be worse things. So, as always, I hope you liked the video, and any questions or comments, put them down below, and check the description for links and other goodies, and I'll catch you in the next one.